I've been up for a minute, now I'm down for it. I've been good with the team, never bad for it. I'ma work for the winner, never slack for it. And I live for the king, I got a crown for it. I know the way, ayy, know the way. He really is the way, he the way, ayy. You can follow me, ayy, I know the way, ayy. Never been afraid, cause we know the way, ayy. Ayy, ain't no shame in the way. See me smiling, I can put it in my face. Gotta believe there's still an open door if you don't see it. Just as long as I know my purpose, I won't lose it, I can't leave it. I get knocked down all the time, that doesn't mean that I'm defeated. I'm going through changes, Hey
guys, welcome to Peanuts Automotive Adventures. Yeah, where every day is an automotive adventure, right? What we have today, automotive adventure, what is that?
I don't know.
It's a transmission. It's a transmission.
I forgot.
This is
And it has that.
What's that? Yeah, that's the front pump. Come on, transmission folks do it. So what we have today is we're going to clean up this transmission with a product called Super Clean.
Super clean.
Here, hold it. There you go. You can hold that one.
Super clean.
Super Clean. This product is what we're going to use. As you guys can tell, this transmission.
This is for when you spill oil.
Yeah, you're right. Go ahead. All right then.
Yeah.
All right. What's this one for?
It's for car.
For what?
Truck,
Okay. What's
boat,
that? Yeah.
Soccer.
Well, it says sports fields,
Or
drilling, farm, transportation. Yeah. You know, you can use it everywhere. Wherever we always spill oil in the honeycomb hideout. So this is going to come in handy. Yep, this is going to come in handy. Hey, and shout out to Super Clean for subscribing to Peanuts Automotive Adventure YouTube channel. We really do appreciate that. Thank you. And yeah. And so what we're going to do is we're going to use this product to clean this transmission. As you can tell, actually this transmission needs to be rebuilt. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. And that's the scraper. We're going to use it.
And the scraper.
And this transmission needs to be real. Yeah, not yet,
Yeah.
because we got to spray it first, right?
Yeah.
We want to spray it first to break it up. Come back around. Yeah, we're going to spray it with this. We're going to use the high concentration.
Also what?
Yeah, come on, bring it here. That's what we're going to spray it off with.
Yeah.
That. But this right here, we're going to use the highest concentration, and we're not even going to dilute it with no water.
And the water's not.
No, the water is on. The water's on. I turned it on, remember?
It is.
Yeah, so you just spilled water on you when you grabbed the water nozzle. But we're going to use the highest concentration on this because as you guys can tell, this thing is caked with grime, oil, dirt from years of service, of being in service. This transmission here, this 200
it comes with an
R4 transmission. It needs to be rebuilt.
Extra.
Okay, yeah, it comes with extra. You're right.
Yeah.
Right, let me see. That's the degreaser 2 product
And
here
it also comes
in an
with
aerosol.
a hat.
It comes with a hat.
Yeah.
Where's the hat at?
In the house.
All right, come on back.
Yeah.
And it comes with this aerosol spray can degreaser, and you know we're gonna try it out.
Yeah.
Like I said earlier, here's the spray one. We're gonna use the highest concentration on this, as you can see. And they have this product here, which is a Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. So we'll try this when we start cleaning up the cars later on this week. But today,
you could
but today,
take it off and
yeah. But today we're gonna use
change
this.
it.
Change what?
Change the foot.
Okay.
When you run out.
Yeah, when we run out, we can always get more, like from AutoZone, O'Reilly's, places like that. Walmart sells the stuff. So, what we're gonna do, and we're gonna rearrange everything. You're gonna have to move this. Move your truck out the way. It's just hanging there, right? It's just hanging there.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is tape off this transmission. Hey, no, it'll be all right. We're gonna tape off the transmission hose. Make sure no water gets inside. None of the product gets inside the transmission. Even though it needs to be rebuilt, I still don't want anything to get inside this transmission. Yeah. So guys, we'll be right back with you in a few minutes. guys, as you can see, I'm gonna let it soak one more time, and I think that's it. It's gonna be clean. As you can see, all the grime that came down. The super clean product did its job. You know, man, it broke it up. You know, the wire brush helped get the caked on stuff. I'm gonna have to get we used the scraper a little bit just to get some of the real gunk off. But what I'm gonna end up doing is getting a mini. I got a mini in the garage. I got a mini wire brush, and I'm just gonna go in there and get the little nicks and crannies and all that, break it up, spray it off. She's gonna be done. She's gonna be done. This is a good product. This is a good product. I would advise you guys to use it in your shops, in the garage, you know, anywhere like that. You know, it's a good product. Let me go ahead and spray. Oh, come on now. Yeah, there she goes. Let me go ahead and spray a little more. Break it up a little more. I'm gonna let it sit a little bit longer this round to really break it up for that, you know, for that to give it time to really penetrate. But as you can tell, it did some penetrating, because before that was just a gunked up transmission. You didn't even know what color it was. So, but yeah, man, this is a great product, super clean product, great product. I advise you to get it. Hey, and also thank you all for the support to Peanuts Automotive Adventures. All right, we're out.